Hi YouTube, my name is Jay Brown. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick gift reveal for you guys. This is my husband's gift for Christmas. Now, a little backstory, you guys. He absolutely loves Florentine leather. He loves it in this natural color. I don't even think he was aware that it comes in other colors. He also is a big fan of the Louis Vuitton keep alls, and I do not have keep all money right now. So I decided to get him this because he really loves Florentine leather. So this is just a close-up of the hang tag that comes with the duffel. But you guys, this is the Florentine Gym Bag from Dooney and Burke. Here is a close-up of the, I guess, just the name on the bag. This bag is a great size. I will put the dimensions on the screen for you guys because I don't know it offhand. Here is the tag that it shipped with. And again, this is the natural gym bag, and this is number 1 of 16. You guys, Dooney and Burke marked this down, had it for a good price. They marked it down to, I want to say $350, which is a steal for this bag because I believe it is normally either $550 or $650. And I'm so glad that I did not get it during Black Friday, because I still would have been paying at least $400 for it, or at least like $380. But it was still, this is a still of a deal to me. So let's take a look at the bag. This is the front of the bag. And I'm loving this detail right here on this corner. Excuse my nails, y'all. I love this detailing right here. Here is the side of the bag. Let me just zoom out a little bit. This is the side of the bag. I absolutely love that. So it does have space, a hook for a crossbody strap. I was also considering the Weekender, but the Weekender, you guys, did not have a crossbody strap, and I would have had to like finagle one, and I didn't want to do that. That is the opposite side of the bag, and here is the back of the bag. And here towards the bottom of the bag, it does say genuine Florentine Vachetta leather. And I did see a few flaws on the bag, nothing major. I'm definitely not going to send this back. I love the natural variation. The bag does have some pebbling right here towards this seam, and I believe on the bottom of the bag. But other than that, this bag is super smooth and it is perfection. As you can see, it does have feet, but this bag is beautiful. And I'm not going to bother with return shipping or anything like that. And I know that my husband is absolutely going to love this. I really want to get him a matching toiletry bag, and I messed around and missed out on the one that was on I Love Dooney. I will just check and see if it pops up again in time for me to get it for Christmas. And I'm going to leave the handles wrapped. I did take all of the other plastic off. It does have a braided zipper pull. And let me just step back so you guys can get a better view of the full bag. And then let's take a look at the inside, okay? So this is what the inside of the bag looks like, you guys. It does come with a crossbody strap with webbing and a good amount of leather on the strap. I'm going to leave it attached to the inside. I don't want to break that little cord off. And then it is very well stuffed, as you can see, and it does come with a dust bag. So I'm probably going to wrap this up in the dust bag and go hide this somewhere in a house, in a room that he doesn't typically go into. It does have dark blue leather on the inside. There is a zipper pocket back here on the back, as well as a long slip pocket. And then on this opposite side, there are 2 slip pockets. So there's 1 and too. Just wanted to come on here and share this with you guys. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. Unfortunately, looks like my hang tag has a little scratch. Y'all see that? My hang tag has a little scratch. Again, you guys, excuse my nails. I was not planning on recording today, but I opened this up and I had to share it with you guys because I'm pretty sure, I really feel like I haven't seen anyone else with this bag, but I absolutely love this detail right here. Y'all see that? That is so nice. Like, this is a really nice duffel bag. So I hope this helps someone if you guys had been considering picking this bag up. Again, this is the Dooney Florentine Gym Bag, and it is absolute perfection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it is helpful to someone. If you enjoyed, please give me a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, YouTube.